Long, long ago lived Snow White and her kind prince. Their story brought light and hope to many hearts. But time passed, generations changed, and every act of goodness found a new beginning. Today, I will tell you the continuation of that ancient fairy tale.
In the same enchanted land, many years later, a little girl was born. Her name was Momoho, the 19th descendant of Snow White and her prince. She was only 7 or 8 years old, yet wisdom quietly shone in her eyes. She often remembered her grandmother's words. Kindness never disappears. Momoho was beautiful, just like her ancestor. But her greatest strength was not her beauty, it was her mind and wisdom. Some people tried to trick her with sweet words. Cunning man, trust me, little girl, I will help you. Momoho, calm and confident. True help comes with honest intentions. At that moment, people realized this child was truly special.
One day, Momoho walked into the forest. There, she found animals living in fear. Rabbits, deer, and birds were crying together. Greedy wolves had taken over the spring and frightened the weak. Please help us. Do not be afraid. Every problem has a solution.
Momoho did not raise a sword. She did not shout. She chose to use her mind. She placed echoing tubes behind large stones along the path where the wolves came. When the wind blew, frightening sounds filled the forest. The wolves, afraid. This forest is magical and dangerous. Let's leave. The wolves ran away. Peace returned to the forest once again. The mind is stronger than strength.
On her journey, Momoho reached a poor village. The people worked hard, but drought had taken their hope. The land was dry, the fields were empty. Village woman said, "We have land, but no water." Momoho said, "Water can be guided. Let's think together." With Momoho's guidance, small channels were dug. Rainwater from the hills flowed into the village. The land became green again. Villagers said, "The water is coming." Village elder, "You truly are Snow White's granddaughter." Hope returned to every heart. The villagers thanked Momoho. The animals felt safe once more. Laughter filled the air. Flowers bloomed everywhere. That day, Momoho softly said, "A good heart can change the world." Momoho's kindness passed on to others. Children learned from her. Adults followed her example. The enchanted land thrived again, filled with peace and harmony. Goodbye, dear friends. Stay with us for more adventures and be the first to enjoy new fairy tales.